Okay, Ray, here's a quick test. I've cleared Cloudflare, SiteGround Cache. I'm not sure if that's even active on a staging environment. And I've cleared all caches for the browser. So here we go. It's on mid to mobile, which will load it slowly, and we'll see what happens. Bit of a white screen of death here at the moment. Might load it on proper. Oh, there we go, it's back. Okay, Instagram's in, but Slider Revolution is not. Instagram's in, Slider Revolution is not. So it's as before in that respect. All the Instagrams are in. Okay, and then the essential grid. And then Slider Revolution, that's exactly the same as before. So this is the last. Slider Revolution seems to be the last to load, which is not ideal. Yeah, cleared all caches. So over to you, Ray. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.